Hey, Legacy Flat Roofing Sheet Metal. We're here today in central London. We are doing a 3-story walk-up. We've already done a couple days, so we have a day in already prepping, removing the stone. We have a day in putting the soper board. We'll show you what it looks like when we're at this point. Thanks a lot. Hey, we're back on the roof, so go ahead and take a look. It's roughly a 2,500 square foot job. So we gave the client two options. One, to go over the existing roof, and two, to rip everything off. They decided with their budget and their plan for the building was to go over the existing roof. So we swept all the stone, laid down some soper board, fastened that to the deck. And what you see is we have a different kind of base sheet. Because this is a job that's going to go over multiple days, we wanted a base sheet that's a little stronger. So we welded it. This is a sanded surface and welded at the seams, just in case water, rain did come throughout the life of the job, it was going to go well. So there you go. We have the first layer of cap sheet down, and we are well on our way. We'll show you when we get some new cap sheet down. Thanks. Hey, Legacy Flat Roofing Sheet Metal. We finished the job. Job turned out wonderful. This client is going to have a roof they can enjoy for tens of years. So go ahead, take a look. Typically in Canada, you could expect to get a lifespan of 15 to 25 years in most systems. This roof, I'd even push it from 25 to 30 years. So they have a long lifespan ahead of them. We were able to get the vents done. We had some metal flashing on the outside. A lot of basically square details to this roof. Really turned out nice. We had a roof hatch we had to roof in, and a drain. The drain insert, we put a U-flow protector. What it is, it's a black rubber gasket on the inside. So what that does, if the plumbing ever backs up, water won't come in. So it's actually sealed, hard connection to the plumbing line. Wonderful product we were able to pick up. Legacy Flat Roofing Sheet Metal. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you are in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.